Here at Dr. Vince Clinical Research, our safety team consists of paramedics and nurses. We're all advanced cardiovascular life support certified, and we work closely with our sub-investigators and investigators, which are nurse practitioners and physicians respectively. Those same paramedics and nurses work together to capture adverse events on the clinic floor. For human abuse potential trials specifically, we actually add additional staff so that we can monitor and document appropriately. That way, if a subject or a volunteer experiences chest pain, nausea, any of the adverse events we're likely to see in a HAP study, we're able to respond accordingly. Here at Dr. Vince Clinical Research, we do have significant experience with IV and IM dosing. Intravenous dosing is something that we do frequently, and we train on a case-by-case basis for every clinical trial that requires that. So we're fluent with a number of different pumps and injectables. In the event of a human abuse potential trial, we often require the use of what's called a naloxone challenge. So if we're using an opioid as a comparator, we'll actually give the volunteers naloxone, which in the event that a subject is opioid dependent, would show signs of withdrawal. So you give them an intravenous dose, assess them for signs of withdrawal, give them a second dose, and then reassess 5 minutes later to ensure that they're not addicted to opiates, which is critical for inclusion and exclusion criteria. We do at DVCR have continuous pulse oximetry and cardiac telemetry monitoring. We actually have a 48-channel cardiac telemetry system, meaning that we can monitor 48 volunteers simultaneously. When it's cardiac telemetry, that's monitored by one of those ACLS certified nurses or paramedics in real time. Here at DVCR, we actually have 2 crash carts on site. Those are fully stocked with advanced cardiovascular life support, first-line medications, and emergency equipment. We have one in the primary CRU and one in the second floor specialty unit. In addition, we also have rapid response bags, which we bring into the suite anytime we're doing an IV infusion.